Both Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk despise Twitter's board. See, they can get along after all. I love that Jack Dorsey is throwing shade against the Twitter board of directors. By the way, you got to remember, the Twitter board of directors is the reason Jack Dorsey is no longer CEO. Jack wanted to stay as CEO, clearly. So he's not happy with the board of directors either, even though it was the right decision for them to get rid of Jack as CEO. They should have done it years ago. And they also made a horrible decision putting the CTO in as Jack's replacement, as we're clearly seeing. So it's just so funny to now see Jack and Elon both beating up on the board, but for different reasons, frankly. So that's been a pleasant delight to follow. And Jack also beat up on the board for not having the shareholders' best interest in mind, which is entirely correct. It's what we called in our last episode, talking about the dumb poison pill provision that they put into place. The board really has no idea what they're doing. To Elon's point, doesn't have any material ownership in actual Twitter. And, their interests are just not aligned with making money, right? Which is the whole point of a for-profit public company, to make money. And if you were wanting to make money and maximize your investors' return, you would take Elon's offer of $54.20 a share. Full disclosure, I bought Twitter shares because I do believe in Elon. You don't doubt the richest man in the world. Which is what these dumb media journalists have been doing. Elon's net worth, by the way, like if you thought you were a few years ago, it was like you had $100 billion, Bill Gates or whatever, Jeff Bezos, and you would be the richest man in the world. Elon has $265 billion. The guy could buy Twitter 7 times over. Yet you've got these CNBC analysts going on TV saying that they don't think Musk's offer is serious because he didn't line up financing in his offer to buy Twitter, right? Like these people have no idea what they're talking about. You can buy businesses with way less money than $264 billion when they're worth $40 billion, $45 billion. I think he's going to buy it. I think he can go around the poison pill and just buy shares directly from people and build on his position. Probably work. I think that's why you're seeing Vanguard and these other institutions add to their position, because I think they believe in Elon too. It's just going to buy him out. They're going to make like 18% return if the deal goes through. You buy it right now. Don't doubt Elon. If you like our videos on Twitter, go check out the ones that we've been doing just in the past week or two here, tracking and predicting correctly Elon's moves as it relates to Twitter.